All right, it's time to do some hands-on design work. So we're going to introduce you step by step through how digital designs come to be. And we're going to use the example project of building a workout app to illustrate the whole process, how we go from beginning to end to designing a beautiful app. So the first thing we have to figure out is, what do we want our app to be able to do? What are the features? Well, there's only three main features that we want for our workout app, and that's to be able to choose which workouts we want to do, to be able to track our workout and look at some stats of how well we're doing, and thirdly, to have a screen that guides you through a workout. So that's all that our app needs to achieve. So let's get started. What's the first step? Well, the first step is to have a look at some mobile patterns and be inspired by some of the best designers' work. So there's two websites that I would highly recommend. One is mobile-patterns.com and the other one is patterns.com, and the links to both are in the text box below. And essentially what these websites do is they curate whole sections of app designs based on a particular theme. And you can see, for example, how Foursquare has designed this nice little faded out map, or you can see how Instagram has shown a location based version of their photos on a map. And basically the problem is that, as humans, we can all see version A and version B and see that, oh, B looks better than A. But how do you come up with A and B in the first place? Well, this is one place to start looking and start getting inspiration for all of your design needs. So in my case, I quite like the look and feel of the sunrise calendar. I like the idea of having a navigation bar at the top for our workout app, having action buttons over here such as starting workout or going back or whatever, or navigation, and having my calendar display very simply, and maybe having colored circles to represent days which I've worked out. And then at the bottom, you can see a detailed view of my workouts on particular days, how many minutes I've been training, etc. Something like that. So now that we've got our ideas, the next step is to pick a color palette. So you can go about this in many different ways. You can come up with your own color palette. You can design colors that fit well with each other, especially if you are a graphic designer. This will be very natural to you. But for the rest of us, it can be difficult to come up with colors that fit a certain mood, or colors that harmonize with each other, or colors that stand out, etc. This is why I like to use a free tool called colorhunt.com. And what Color Hunt lets you do is it lets you browse through a whole bunch of color palettes that professional designers have come up with. And once you've found something that you quite like the look of, say we're going to pick this one, then you can simply just copy and paste the hex codes of the colors into your design projects. So you can also search this by popular or by hot. I'm still not sure what is the difference between hot and popular on this website. Let me know if you figure it out. So let's pick a color palette for our workout app. So it's something that's got to be fun and kind of vibrant. Let's pick this one. That seems pretty good. So I would typically note down all of these hex codes in a note-taking app, and I'll be able to refer to it when I need it.